HMHS Britannia, and back with another video. I just figured out how to use the mic, so here's another video.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Real quick.
Fucking A, what? What the fuck was that?
Five minutes later.
Jay! Get your ass in here now! You motherfucker! Jay! I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat the living hell out of you! God damn you! Put that shit on the no damn fucking well, I can't get it off my fucking TV! Get your ass in here now! Can't even take a fucking nap around here or nothing else. He's all time of doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something. This damn time, I'm gonna find me
Granny does not like that noise.
something, and I'm... Jay!
What?
I'm gonna beat the motherfucking hell out of you. Put that goddamn dumb shit on my damn TV, and I'm trying to sleep. Can't even fucking sleep around here.
What?
Fucking dick. I'll beat the living hell out of you.
What are you even
I
talking?
don't listen to that shit and I don't watch that fucking shit. So you keep your fucking ass out of my room.
Granny, I have not a clue on what you're talking
I'll
about.
put a fucking lock on my fucking door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Get in here and you can hear the flapping jackoff sounds.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Yeah, you probably turned it up, you motherfucker. You know how to do it without coming in the fucking room. You know how to get shit going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right.
Granny, I love you, but you're going senile. Oh!
Get out of the fucking room. I'll beat his fucking brains out.
You've lost it. You lost your mind.
I'll beat the hell out of you. You open that door, you motherfucker. You open that door and I'm gonna crack you with a handle. I ain't gonna hit you with the other end. I'm gonna hit you with a fucking handle. I'm gonna lay that damn big noggin of yours wide open. So don't you dare stick your head in this motherfucking room.
20 minutes later.
What?
Look at that shit on my TV you got on my fucking TV.
What is this?
It was girls eating shit. And kissing and eating shit like ice cream. I'm sitting here gagging my fucking ice off. You get that shit off and you get it off now.
I don't even see anything on your TV. Quit it!
Get the
I'm out!
fuck off. Get in here and get it off. Fucking eating shit ice cream cones. And Oh, motherfucker. And then, oh, they're sick. Oh, God, they're sick. Stupid fucking bitches. Ooh, there's something wrong with them. Eating shit like a popsicle. Oh, fuck. Look at that turd on that one. Oh,
I want to watch that. That's gross.
oh my God. Ooh, shit.
I agree with you, Granny.
Sick.
What's wrong with you?
Put that fucking shit. I can't get that damn image out of my head. I still see them on there eating that shit. Get it off the fucking TV.
It is off your TV. What are you on about?
You keep doing that now, damn shit. You keep doing it, and keep doing it. And one of these days, I'll beat the fuck all out of you.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not even hearing anything. Maybe the house is haunted or something. I
I'm
don't.
putting a fucking lock on my door, and I'll show you how fucking haunted it is. Your ass won't be coming in here putting shit on my TV.
You need a hug. Give me a hug. You need a hug.
You got me in my street.
Ah, quit! Ow!
Get the fuck out of my room.
What are you doing?
I'm going out and have me a fucking cigarette after that, all that damn shit.
I thought you were taking a nap.
Taking a nap, hell. I can't take a damn nap around here from your fucking ass. Get out of my room.
Fine!
Be gone when I get back.
Do you want some ice cream?
Fuck you.
Why?
Get the hell out of my room. I told you that. Get the hell out.
You know what I like the most? Cake farts.
I like Granny short. I love coffee.
Oh, hell no.
Get this done.
Oh, shit.
How do I let it do this?
That bitch ain't got no damn drawers on.
You gotta be nice and comfortable for this.
Oh, hell. Comfortable minds. Stupid
They
bitch.
say how we do it.
Oh, fuck no. Oh, hell no. Jay! Jay! Jay!
Push it in there.
Shitting in this cake!
What?
Jay, turn that fucking shit off right now!
Ew, what are you watching?
You put the fucking shit on her, you had to!
You're sick!
Else I don't watch this damn shit! You get that fucking shit off the TV right now!
Ew!
I'll be the... Get
Look, Gran, look!
shit off my TV! Get it
Jake watches the most disgusting shit ever.
off now!
I turned it off!
I put the fucking lock on my door.
What was she doing?
I say,
What was she
shove
doing?
it back in.
What was she-
That stupid bitch was farting on a cake. She was cramming it up her coochie and her asshole too.
That looked like a perfectly good cake, too.
Probably fucking was, but who in the fuck climbs up and straddles their ass on a damn cake? Ain't something fucking wrong with them.
What was she doing?
Turn that motherfucker off, cause you watched it enough, you know what she was doing. I don't have to explain shit to you. That's why you put it on my fucking TV.
Granny, please just tell me what she was doing to the cake.
She was fucking shitting on it. Now turn it off. Turn
Alright,
it shit off.
I turned it off. I won't do no more to you. But for real, what was she doing to the cake?
Did we show you what she was doing?
What was she doing? Oh!
That's what she's doing to the fucking cake.
Granny!
What?
Dad! For real though, all joking aside, I do really sincerely apologize. But for real though, what was she doing to the cake?
She was doing to the cake, but I'm gonna do all your bed later, motherfucker. I'm gonna shit all over it. What?
What was she saying at the beginning of that video?
Oh, you know what I like most? Cake farts. Yeah, cake farts my ass.
Hey, I think it's time for me to tell you that's actually my girlfriend I've been
That's
seeing.
disgusting.
That's what she does as a 9-to-5 job.
Yeah, it's cake farts.
Yeah, she goes to each store, buys a new cake, and she toots on
I
it.
guess you provide the icing for them, huh?
Yeah, I give her, she gives me the icing. Anytime I need icing for my cakes, she just
I'll tell you
poops it
what.
out.
Tell you what. Don't bring the bitch around here.
Why?
Because she'll have something to dig out of her ice and it'll be my damn foot. Don't you never bring some bitch like that around me.
Why? She
Then
has
I'll bring her home,
she
fella.
has a good job. She has a...
I don't give a fuck if she's got a good job showing her ice and everything else.
Later that same evening.
Ma'am?
Why you scared the shit out of me?
Hey, before I go to bed, can I have a snack? Oh, you got Oreos!
You ain't getting them.
I can't have these Oreos?
No, hell no.
Why?
Because I want them.
Oh, you got the Lay's!
Put them back.
Well, listen.
I told you no. Cause you know why? You don't have to ask no fucking questions.
What did I do?
Oh, you ain't done nothing. You've been the best little young'un I ever seen today. Motherfucker.
Hi, Granny. Well, I love you.
Yeah, I want to.
Oh! Holy shit! I'm definitely putting you in an old folks home now.
Get out of my fucking room.
Hey, it's Kelsey. What's up? I've got some major gas, as you can already hear. And I've got this lovely, beautiful strawberry cream pie here that I think I'm gonna fart into. Oh, I got one coming right now.
Oh, fuck no. Jake! Jake! Jake!
Ooh, feels nice on my butt.
Jake! Jake! Damn heel. Jake! Jacob! Jake! Get the buck in here!
Looks like whipped cream.
Jacob! God, I'm gonna kill him.
I guess I have to sit down a little.
I'm gonna kill him. Motherfucker, you watch, I'll take
Okay. This one.
you open that door, you motherfucker, and I'm gonna knock your brains out. Jake!
Pour it out on this pie.
Jake! You better get the fuck in here!
Right off.
Oh, son of a...
Yeah, taste this pie farts out of my mouth hole.
Son of a bitch! If he... Oh, I'm gonna kill him. Motherfucker, I'm gonna kill him.
Granny, what's wrong?
You are so...
Ew! What are you watching? Ow!
Motherfucker. Get your fucking ass in here and you turn this shit out.
Ooh!
Turn it off!
She's pumping!
This might be the most fun part of the work.
She says she thinks this is the most.
I sit here and turn that son of a bitch off. Now! I'll do it. I'll turn the damn thing off.
Tongue in there.
You
Not
want
my butthole.
1, 2, 3. Back it! I ain't watching that fucking shit. There ain't no fucking way.
Granny, what was going on in that video?
I don't give a shit. It was damn cake burnt again, and I'm not watching that shit. I'm sick of it. You start that goddamn shit, I'm telling you, I'm locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would
I'm
be.
locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would
You
be.
won't be allowed in my fucking room.
Granny, I thought that would be.
I'm ready. I thought that was shit.
I thought that would be a perfect video that you could fall asleep to. It's like a nursery rhyme for pooping on cakes.
How about that?
You lost it! Good night!
Well, that's the video. If you enjoyed this video, hit like button. If new to your channel, hit that subscribe button. And more videos are coming out. See ya.